Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the latest working method in 2025 to permanently delete your Facebook account. Let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone, then here, tap the menu icon. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then, select Settings. Now under the Account Center, tap it. Then go to Personal Details. Then tap Account Ownership and Control. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account that you want to delete. Now, delete account and tap Continue. Facebook will show you information about what happens when you delete your account. Read thoroughly, and if you want it, you can download a copy of your data before proceeding. And tap Continue to Account Deletion, then confirm your password. And finally, tap Delete Account. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now scheduled to permanent deletion. Keep in mind that you have 30 days to log back in if you want to change your mind. After that, it will be gone forever. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.